Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About sin x to the power of 5, I can put into sin x and sin x square everything to the power of 2. Next, we have the formula in here. Sin x square plus cosine x square equals to number 1. So we have sin x square in here. And now I will put cosine x square go to the right. So this one in here, we change by 1 minus cosine x square to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sin x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. So this one we change by u and we have u square. This one we change by u and we have u to the power of 9. Sin x dx we change by negative du. Next, we need to expand this one. Next, u to the power of 9 multiplied by number 1, u square and u to the power of 4. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now, we applied the formula in here, here, and here. So we have the final answer. So this one we have number 10. This one we have number 10. This one we have number 12. And this one we have number 12. This one we have 14. This one we have 14. 2 divided by 12. We have 1 over 6. About u, that is about cosine x. That is the end. Thank you for watching.